Hello, I am Ahmed Marwan from Libya, I am 35 years old, and I am a veterinarian. I have been in Spooky 2 family since last February, and I am happy with that, as my family and I have changed our lives. And we have become in control of things. I am proud of this, and being from the medical community is from science fiction or superstition, and at first I had some doubts about the work of the device. So I said to myself that I have to try it myself, and I actually bought a basic MX set. The results surprised me, and they were amazing and unbelievable. I quickly bought Gen X and plan to buy the Central. There are many positive experiences with Spooky 2, but I had an exceptional experience in which I challenged myself and Spooky 2, and Spooky 2 won, and this is what happened. I had a cavity in one of my teeth in the upper jaw on the right, and it never hurt me. About a month and a half ago, it broke and started hurting my tongue, and it hurt. I went to a friend of mine who is a dentist in his clinic and decided to extract it, but he advised me to pull out the nerve and a white filling. I am convinced that pulling the nerve is a very bad thing. The tooth becomes a dead piece of dentin. The important thing is that I myself say this is the best test and challenge that I do with Spooky 2. After effort, my friend agreed to make a filling without pulling the nerve. And he told me that you bear the responsibility if the matter fails, and he said in the best case 50% its success rate, and it started working. Then he said it will not work because the 3 roots of the teeth are exposed. And this will cause inflammation and terrible pain, so I told him to continue and do not worry, and after finishing I asked him when the effect of the anesthetic will end. He said after about 3 hours gradually, and actually the pain started. I took an analgesic, then I started working with Spooky 2, and I did 4 scans for mouth and gum diseases, and for tooth decay, and for the Hulda-Clark program to relieve pain found in the cancer protocol. And the last one for oral and dental problems in general. Then I put it on the contact mode, then on the remote, and I kept waiting for the analgesic to finish, and the surprise was that there was no pain, rather only the place of the needle. If I touched it, it hurts, and if I drank cold water because the tooth is sensitive, because the nerves are present, and I continued for 3 days on the contact and the remote. And then I put the healing program in the cancer protocol, and every day that passes, my health improves more, and after a week I was able to eat normally, and it is funny that he called me the next day, because he was waiting for me to come back and ask for a root canal, but I told him that I was in a good condition, so he was surprised. Then I met him on the way and asked me what happened to my tooth. And he was surprised because he was sure that I would return to him. He even told me that he was in the dental clinic tomorrow morning, and I was more surprised than him. This is contrary to what we read and told about in medicine. This device is from the future. I also used it for diarrhea, headaches and colds. The results were positive. Thank you. I am very grateful to have the Spooky 2, and I look forward to buying the entire set. I look forward to using it in the treatment of animals in my veterinary clinic, so thank you very much. Hello, I am Ahmed Marwan from Libya, I am 35 years old, and I am a veterinarian. I have been in